The future of work has always been a topic of fascination and debate as artificial intelligence and robotics continue to evolve. One question dominates the conversation: will AI replace humans in the future, or will it simply redefine how we work? Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring a critical question: is the rise of AI and robotics a threat to human jobs or an opportunity to reshape our world for the better? Let's dive in. Throughout history, technological advancements have transformed the way we work. The Industrial Revolution replaced manual labor with machines. Computers revolutionized how we process information, and now AI and robotics promise to take us into uncharted territory. But will this new wave of innovation mean the end of human jobs? AI is designed to augment human capabilities, not entirely replace them. However, certain repetitive and predictable tasks are increasingly being automated. This shift can free humans to focus on creative and complex problem solving. Let's take a closer look at industries most impacted by AI and robotics. In manufacturing, robots now handle assembly lines with precision and efficiency. Self-driving technology is reshaping transportation and healthcare. AI assists in diagnosing diseases with unprecedented accuracy, and in customer service, chatbots are becoming the first point of contact for many companies. At first I was worried about losing my job to robots, but now I've been trained to oversee and maintain these machines. It's a different role, but it's still fulfilling. While AI may replace some jobs, it's also creating entirely new opportunities. Fields like AI development, machine learning, data analysis, and cybersecurity are booming. Education systems are adapting, offering courses that prepare the workforce for these emerging careers. Thanks to AI, I've been able to launch my startup with tools that were unimaginable a decade ago. It's about adapting and seeing the potential. Of course, the rise of AI raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure that job displacement doesn't lead to widespread unemployment? How do we balance progress with fairness? These are challenges that governments, businesses, and society must address together. The key is to invest in upskilling and reskilling programs. Governments and companies must work together to prepare the workforce for the jobs of tomorrow. In the end, AI and robotics are tools, powerful ones that we control. The future depends on how we choose to use them. Will they replace humans? Perhaps in some tasks, but they also have the potential to elevate humanity to new heights of creativity, efficiency, and innovation. The choice is ours. Subscribe to ZI Buzz for the latest news.